Hey guys, as you can see on the thumbnail, we are running another big sale. As you can see here, special offer, big sale, up to 50% off. Now we're almost giving it away now because most of you know that our courses are extremely reasonable as it is. A lot more reasonable than most. And in most cases, we are less than half price, even though we offer a lifetime membership with lifetime updates. So that means once you sign on, all the new videos, you get those as well. And also, as a reminder, for those of you that do not know, we have already added an additional 45 to 50 new videos over the last 2 to 3 months, and we will continue to do so. For some of my older students, if you haven't visited us in a while, I highly suggest that you go look at the training. You will be pleasantly surprised. And also, before I forget, for those of you that are watching the video, and thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe. There will be a lot more videos to come in the very near future. Now pay attention to the discount code. It's DEUT288. And you will get an awesome discount. Now also, don't forget to watch the video until the end. You will also have the information if you need to contact us or go to the website. Always be learning, be blessed.
Jumped your career in appliance repair with our online training. Enjoy a massive 50% discount. Limited time only. Elevate your skills. Save big. And get ready to succeed. Don't miss out. Enroll now. Welcome to Cornerstone Appliance Training Big Sale. Up to 50% off. Limited time offer. Are you ready to transform your passion for appliance repair into a thriving career? Our comprehensive online appliance training courses are now available at an incredible 50% discount. This is your golden opportunity to gain expert knowledge and hands-on skills from the comfort of your home. Whether you're a beginner eager to learn the basics or a seasoned professional looking to update your techniques, our courses cater to all levels. With this limited time offer, you'll not only elevate your skill set, but also enjoy significant savings. Our interactive and engaging curriculum is designed to fit your busy schedule, ensuring a learning experience that is both flexible and rewarding. Don't let this chance slip away. Enroll now and take the first step towards a successful career in appliance repair. Remember, this offer won't last forever. So act fast and secure your spot today. Our comprehensive online training covers everything from refrigerator repair to advanced troubleshooting techniques. Learn at your own pace. With support from industry experts, get certified and elevate your career prospects. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from our alumni, like John, who says, "Cornerstone's training landed me my dream job in appliance repair." You view some of our reviews on our homepage or go to our testimonials page for live video reviews. Enrolling is easy. Just click the link below. Choose your course and get started. With flexible payment options, there's nothing standing in your way. Join the ranks of successful appliance technicians today, but act fast. This offer won't last forever. Your new career awaits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter or X, LinkedIn, Instagram for more updates. And feel free to reach out with any questions. Your future in appliance repair starts at Cornerstone Appliance Training. Why choose us? Comprehensive training. From basic repairs to complex problems, we cover it all. Career advancement. Get certified and take your career to new heights. Flexible online learning. Study at your pace, from the comfort of your home. Enroll today and fast-track your success. Easy enrollment. See information below or go to our website, Cornerstone Appliance Training Course.com. The process is made simple with a clear Enroll Now button on the website, guiding you to take advantage of the discounted rates. Choose your course. Select the course that fits your career goals. Whether you are starting out or looking to upgrade your skills, we have a range of courses tailored for every level. Here, You choose a course based on your current skill level and career aspirations. The options are laid out clearly, making it easy to find the right fit for you. Easy payment process. Take advantage of our affordable pricing with an additional 50% discount. Securely complete your payment online to kickstart your learning journey. The payment process is straightforward and secure. With the current sale, the courses are highly affordable, and you can complete the transaction online hassle-free. Access your learning materials upon successful enrollment. You'll gain instant access to our comprehensive online learning materials. Start learning at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. Once enrolled, you immediately get access to the course materials. The program is designed for self-paced learning, allowing you to study at your convenience. Interactive and practical training. Engage with interactive modules, real-world scenarios, and practical exercises. Our courses are designed to be engaging and easy to understand, ensuring a practical learning experience. The training includes interactive elements and practical exercises, making learning engaging and applicable to real-world scenarios. The content is presented in an easy-to-understand format. Continuous support and feedback. Need help? Our expert instructors are just a message away. Get personalized support and feedback throughout your course. Throughout the course, you have access to support from expert instructors. This ensures that any questions or concerns are promptly addressed, providing a supportive learning environment. Certification and career advancement. Complete the course and earn your certification. Use your new skills to advance your career as a professional appliance technician. Upon completion of the course, you will have the opportunity to take our final exam, and upon completion you receive our sealed certification certificate that we will mail to you. This certification can be a valuable asset in advancing your career in the appliance repair industry. Always be learning. Be blessed.